Hello guys, welcome back to the course. In last lecture, I told you how to read text input, how to handle click events, and I gave you one assignment. So that is actually to print a touch coordinate on text view. So I gave you hint for that. I told you can add one layout. On that layout, you will put click listener, touch listener, and then capture the coordinates. So I hope you have tried this, or maybe somebody might have done this, but still I'll try to explain how it can be done. And then if you have already done, then see if you have done rightly or which other approach you have used. Okay, so let's start. So for that, the layout is already added. I told last time. So one thing I didn't tell that height is 0 dp. So 0 dp actually is nothing. But in constant layout, if you are defining all the four boundaries, start and end, then height and width you should give 0 dp. So the rest will be taken care by constant layout. If you see the preview, still it is full view because all four boundaries are defined in this layout. Okay. Now I told that you have to add this listener like this, and so for that we have to get the layout in code. Find view by id. This is our layout we have added, this one, and get it here, and then we will put listener on this. Like this. So listener will be like this. You have to assign touch event listener, and that will be method I'll create here. This method will be called, and this, if you see which type of method I told you before also, control click and then go inside. You see the interface it is expecting on touch. Any method you can pass which is accepting two parameter. One is view, first one is view, other one is motion event type. So same type of method I'll create in our class in this my activity class, so that we can use that. So I already coded this. So my touch event, my area touch, I created one method, and then it is taking view and touch type, and return should be boolean. Boolean true false it will be returning. True means the event is coming, is consumed, means whatever you want you have done with that. False means the event is not consumed, so it will be transferred to the parent layout, parent view. So there are multiple events available with this motion event, this type of listener. I'm interested only one type, even though I have added two, but actually I am interested only action down. With button on, not interested, because actually it is not button, it is just a view. Else I just added because I told in when type of loop. It's not actually loop, it's switch type of in that, if you are not handling all the Excel, all the type of this, then you have to add else. Okay, so I'll remove first one, and because you don't needed that, and as I told before also in the, I think first or second lecture, we can put return outside in if or when. We can remove from here. So in this case, I will return true, otherwise, because here my event is consumed, true. And in case of else, I will return false, because it's not events we have not consumed. So we will tell parent layout to handle that event, or if they want, otherwise it will be ignored. So for now I have added log to see if it is really working, whether event whatever we are thinking, are we able to get those information. That this event has information like type of the event, and here it is exactly click X and Y value. So we don't have to do extra work here. This interface is provided by these androids. So let's run this. So on log it will be showing like coordinates. See, if I click here, it is printing touch point 82. This is in pixel. 0 0 this corner, and maximum is this corner. So like this. So actually we have put here. If I click here, it will not put because this listener or not there. Listener is only here only. So that will print. Whatever, if you go this size, it will be maximum some 1000 something. So let's now put this information on this text box. So for that we will just say my text view dot text equal to string. Suppose touch point is touch. So it is saying, yeah. One thing I'll tell: whenever you see some warning or anything, you just don't ignore. Just see why it is saying. And generally, programmer ignore that, but don't ignore because it may help you write efficient and economically good program, good code. So here it is saying, do not concatenate instead use placeholder. Yeah, I'm doing that. Why it is saying add surprise. Okay, maybe, and let's ignore for now. Now we'll run and see how it is working. touch point is X, this one. Let's keep changing. If you see this is not touchable, this is drag event. We are not handling drag event. But if you see on log, in else case I am printing the coordinate. So it will print for every event. You see, let's keep changing. So this is for drag event. Okay, so this is done. Now I think you might have done, if you have done, you should have used this type of approach. If something else you have approached, use some other approach, just comment and then tell, so that we'll discuss which approach is better. Okay, now our next topic is Android list. Yeah, this is very important topic, because form view you can create using text view, text input, and button. Using text view you can give label, and then text input, like edit text you can give input area, and then using button you can read that input and then process. But list view is important, which displays the items in a list. So today in this lecture I just covered theory part. So what in Android actually what main things it need to display a list. So in detail we will discuss in next lecture, but short just a theory, practical we will do in next lecture. So it needs a recycler view, that is a layout. So if you see like recycler view, suppose if I create some variable, then I will show you the definition. If you go inside this, so this is responsible for displaying list. It's not actually adding item, it's just displaying the list. It handles the scroll, it handles the orientation, it handles the container, like how big container should be, and all those things. And another thing is adapter. Adapter is like search, adapter is part of recycler view only. Let's go here, this one. So adapter provides binding from app specific data to the view. So adapter is provides medium which holds the data, and it provides to the recycler view, and then recycler view displays it. So this has the callbacks, like on view created, view holder created, data is bind view holder, and many other methods. So we'll go in detail next lecture. So this is a main thing, so that you have some insight of the next lecture. Then view holder is provides a view of item in a list, which item in a list. For that, this view holder provides a container kind of. So inside, it will tell the view holder describe an item view and metadata about the place within the recycler view, and adapter implementation should be subclass of view holder, and add fields for catching potentially expensive result. So the catching and all it's handled by view holder. Okay, so this is a short lecture. If I didn't can't cover entire. If I cover, this will be longer, so I just cover the theory. This list view, we will see list horizontal, list vertical, list like grid view also we can create using same cycler view adapter and view, like the same components. You will see in next lecture. Till then, if you want to try. I'll see. Till then, thank you. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe this course so that you will get update when next lecture is published.